Hello everyone, this is China K-Size. Today, I will introduce the wiring of the KUS3000 series ultrasonic level sensors. The KUS3000 outputs include 4 to 20 milliamperes, 0 to 10 V, PNP, and NPN. All these output types share the same wiring sequence, defined as follows. Brown, 12 to 30 VDC. White, T-Chin. Blue, GND. Black. Output. For the wiring definitions of other output types, please refer to the product label or the product manual, or consult technical personnel. Next, we will begin the wiring. After the wiring is completed, confirm that the wiring sequence is correct and that the sensor power supply is normal before powering it on. The wiring explanation for the KUS3000 is now complete. After watching, for more product details or model options, please contact us via our official email or phone number. We understand your needs.